and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and basic flower. You can see here they follow the same pattern except this has 6 petals and this has 5 petals. Also you can see the circle. The circle is larger here and the circle is smaller here. So by the end of the video you will be able to make flower with more petals or lesser petals. So to begin, we will need a supply yarn of your choice. Then we will be using a 2.5mm crochet hook. You will need tapestry needle to sew in, and also you will need scissors to cut the yarn later on. Alright, keeping this aside, I will hold the yarn this way and just wrap it around my fingers, hold it, bring the yarn below, and then just pull up the loop. That's how I made my slip knot. Alright, so chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coming back to the first chain, insert your hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through and through this chain. Now you slip stitch it and we have a tiny circle right there. Next, we will begin chain 1 and then we will put 1 double crochet. For that, yarn over, go back into the circle, and if you can, try to pull this tail along so that it has a smooth ending. Okay, now pull the yarn and then you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now there is 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. That is 1 double crochet. Then we are going to put 3 treble crochet. For that, yarn over once, twice onto the hook, then go back into the circle, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops left on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2 loops left. Yarn over, pull through 2. That is 1 treble crochet. We will put 2 more times, 2 more treble crochet. So yarn over twice, you wrap the yarn twice on your hook, go into the circle, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Once again, wrap it 2 times into the circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now you have made 3 treble crochet, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet. So wrap your, okay, then 1 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then we put 1 single crochet. Now that completes 1 petal. We will start another petal. For this, yarn over and then you put 1 double crochet, then 3 treble crochet, 1, 1 treble crochet, 2, 3 treble, then we put 1 double crochet, then we put a single crochet. That completes the second petal, and we will do this 3 more times for a total of 5 petals. I will do it with you once again. Yarn over into the circle, pull through 2 and pull through 2, 1 double crochet, 3 treble, so this is 1 treble crochet, 2 and 3. Then we put 1 double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. Now that completes the third petal. Move it along like this. Now at this point you can cut the tail. Then we put 1 double crochet, 3 treble, 1, 2, 3, then we put 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 4 petal, and now for the 5th petal just push it a little bit, make space, just push it and make space a little bit. Last petal, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 double crochet. Then you put 1 single crochet to complete. Now this completes the 5th petal here. And to finish it off, this is the chain 1 that we did earlier. We're going to slip stitch it into this. So insert your hook into this chain 1 space, into this chain 1, pull the yarn and then slip stitch, chain 1, and you can cut off the yarn now. There is our flower. It's very simple and easy. So now we hide the tail using our tapestry needle. Insert your needle into the back. Insert your needle into the back. Just pass it through and pull. Now that hides up the tail and you can cut it off. So here is our flower. It's very simple and easy to make. Now this is made by now as you can see the difference here, this is smaller compared to this. So what changed? The only difference here is that you begin by chaining 5, and here you begin by chaining 7, and instead of 5 petals you put 6 petals in this. You do the same process as we do here and increase the petal to 6. And so that's how this beautiful flower is made. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video with another pattern or tips and tricks for you.